standing up. Let's stretch the side. Other way. And forward, touching those toes. And back. And roll your shoulders backwards. And forwards. And head to first side. Second side. And normal. Breathing in. Out. One last time. Fingers up. Woo! Fingers up. Woo! Last one. And let's do some special welcomes. Hello, boys and girls. 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 All right, nice job. Let's move to the next part.
As we head into the middle of November, it's time to celebrate Diwali. Diwali is an Indian holiday, and it's also known as the Festival of Lights. They put clay candles outside of their homes to represent inner light, and a lot of times they put off fireworks to celebrate as well. So you're going to see as we listen to our song, the arrow is pointing to the beat of the candles, like you might see, and there's fireworks in the background. This is a really beautiful song. I hope you enjoy learning the rhythm that goes along with the song and playing along. So here are your patterns that we need to practice. We're going to be following the arrow that's pointing to the rhythm pattern on the candles as we go. You'll notice that if it's a ta, we see just one candle. If it's a ta-di, we see two candles to help show those two sounds we're going to make. Let's practice reading our first rhythm pattern. Ta, ta-di, ta, ta. Now, along with that rhythm pattern, you're going to notice underneath there are some body parts. Well, what do those mean? If you see the foot, that's a stomp. So you're going to stomp your foot. So our first pattern goes stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap. Will you please try that with me? Here we go. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap. Good. So whenever we hear a certain part of the music, our A section, we're going to be using that pattern. So every time we hear this music in the A section, we're going to be using that pattern. Let's try it one more time. Ready, go. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap. Good. When the music changes to the B section, that sounds like this, we're going to be doing this pattern instead. So let's just say and clap the rhythm to practice. Ready, go. Ta-dee-ta, ta-dee-ta. Great, now let's add our body percussion parts to it. This one's a little more tricky because we have to move more. It's going to go stomp, stomp, clap, pat, pat, clap. Good, let's try that a few times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Stomp, stomp, clap, pat, pat, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap, pat, pat, clap. Good. You've got it. Those are the only 2 patterns we need to do for our whole song because our pattern in our music goes A, B, A, B, A. So we get to do our first pattern, our second pattern, our first pattern, our second pattern, and we finish with our first pattern again. So listen for the changes in the music and see if you can recognize where our A sections are and where our B sections are too. What's going to happen with Walk to Read, but I did want to make sure we got to learn our song in honor of the Libraries of Love in Africa. So our song this year is called Amani, utupe, and our African words, our Swahili words, mean grant us peace, give us courage. So we're going to start learning our song this week. Ms. Bretch and Ms. McKenzie are going to be teaching you some movements to go along with our song. So our Swahili words in our song, we thankfully get to repeat them a lot, so it's not so hard, but they might be a little tricky to say. So can you say Amani? Good, again, Amani. Utupe. Say Amani utupe. Good. Na ustawi. Now say Amani utupe. Na ustawi. Na ustawi. Good. Listen. Amani utupe na ustawi. Your turn. Good again. Amani utupe na ustawi. Your turn. All right, good. I know it's a mouthful, but like I said, the good news is that's most of the Swahili that we have to learn, so we don't have to worry about too much else. And by the time you're done singing it, You'll have sung it so many times, it'll just roll right off your tongue. You won't have to worry about it at all. Well, there are English words too to our song. And so, will you please be my echo, learning some rhythms first, and then we'll add in the words. Good, I know that's kind of a long rhythm pattern to clap and it might be a little tricky, but that's okay. I want you to just do your very best because like I said, there's lots of repetition, so you'll get many chances to practice all of this. If it's not perfect right away, that's okay. We're all learning together and working on this together. Now, let's try to add some words to that rhythm we just clapped. As we travel down this weary road. Good, again. As we travel down this weary road. Your turn. Now listen carefully. Amani, utupe na ustawi. Good, again. Amani, utupe na ustawi. Your turn. Amani, utupe na ustawi. Yeah. All right, you're getting it. Well, let's try just singing those first two lines. Will you please be my echo? As we travel down this weary road, Amani, utupe na ustawi. Good, again. As we travel down this weary road, Amani, utupe na ustawi. Yes, very good. So that's the start of our song. Let's learn one more set of lyrics before we move on. The good news is you already know half of it because we're going to repeat the Amani utupe part. Our next English words go, we need help to carry on our load. So the rhythm stays the same, but we have new words. Listen again. We need help to carry on our load. Can you please be my echo? We need help to carry on our load. Amani, utupe na ustawi. We need help to carry on our load. Amani, utupe na ustawi. That's great. So I want you to listen from the beginning, and then you're gonna have a turn to try what we've learned so far. As we travel down this weary road, Amani, utupe na ustawi. We need help to carry on our load. Amani, utupe na ustawi. All right, your turn to sing along with me now that you know how it all fits together. 1, 2, here we go. As we travel down this weary road, Amani, utupe na ustawi. We need help to carry on our load. Amani, utupe na ustawi. All right, are you getting those words in there? Again, this is our first time. We're going to sing this over many weeks to get to know it really, really well. So don't worry if you're just still listening, that's okay. Just listen and you'll get to know it really well. But if you can sing along, awesome. Keep it up and keep trying. Let's try it one more time for the beginning and put all of those words together. 1, 2, here we go. As we travel down this weary road, Amani, utupe na ustawi. We need help to carry on our load. Amani, utupe na ustawi. Very good job. Thank you so much for starting to get to know our Walk to Read song. I can't wait to learn the rest of it with you, and I think you'll really enjoy learning the song and the movements. please say and clap this rhythm pattern with me? 1, 2, ready, go. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Ta-dee, 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 ta. Great, what do you notice about all of these measures? You are right. Every measure has the same rhythm pattern. Great job saying and clapping the rhythm pattern with me. Now let's get to know our song. Thank you for helping me read the rhythm for our new song, Charlie, Charlie. But now I want you to hear what the words sound like. So will you please keep a nice steady beat as you listen to how the words go to our song. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. I wonder what Charlie was that he was able to go down the hole of the tub. You think about that as we listen again. Here we go. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. All right, if you're guessing that Charlie is a bug, that's what I'm guessing too, because that hole's not very big. So it has to be something super tiny, although I'm not sure how a bug pulled the plug either. Guess that's why it's a silly song and not a realistic one. Will you be my echo to help you get to know the song? 1, 2, echo me. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Very good, very good. Let's try that one more time, you echoing me. 1, 2, here I go. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Great, will you stand up and march a beat with me while we try to sing our song together? 1, 2, sing with me. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Very good job. Now, at the ends of our sentences, our phrases, do they all end the same way as far as the words and the sounds of the words go? Let's listen. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. What do we notice about the words at the end of every phrase or every sentence? You're right, they're rhyming words, but they don't all four rhyme, right? We have two different sets. What rhymes at the beginning? Charlie, Charlie in the tub, and that rhymes with plug, yeah. So tub, plug, and then, oh my goodness, oh my soul rhymes with hole, that's right. So we have those four different lines. The first two rhyme and the second two rhyme at the end. Very, very good. Okay, do you please snap with me on those rhyming words? Don't worry if you can't really snap. I can't snap very loud. I'm just not a loud snapper. So that's okay. You can just make the motion even if you can't snap. You can try it along with me though for now. So whenever I get to those rhyming words, see if you can snap on them and figure out where they are. Here we go. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Good, so our rhyming words were tub and plug, good, and soul and whole. That's exactly right. All right, so now we're gonna keep our snaps on those rhyming words. Would you please add a steady beat in your feet? So we're gonna go step, 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 and then we get to a rhyming word and there should be a snap. I know you can't see my feet, but hopefully you'll be able to hear it a little bit. If you're catching on to my song, sing along with me. And if not, just keep listening and moving your feet and your snapping fingers. 1, 2, here we go. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Very good. Now this time, instead of just having 3 stomps, we're going to add in a clap in between our stomps. We're gonna go stomp, clap, stomp, snap, just like that. It'll look like this. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Think you can try it with me? 1, 2, here we go. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Great, you're getting it. Let's try that one more time. It's tricky to do 2 things at once, isn't it? 1, 2, here we go. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Beautiful job. All right, now that we have sung our song and you've done it many times and you know what's going on, will you please help me figure out the rhythm? All right, so we're gonna look at this next page that has all of these water droplets on it, and you're gonna help me figure out where do we hear toddies and where do we hear tas as we're singing our Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Will you please help me figure this out? Look at each beat and see if we can figure out 1 sound or 2 on each beat. All right, well, will you please help me now that we've learned our song? Can you help me show the direction of the notes? Like, where are our highs and lows? If we go, Charlie, Charlie. So help me show the highs and lows. If we would go, Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Oh yeah, we had to reach down for hole, didn't we? Because it went lower than the other 2 we had learned so far, or we had been showing, right? So let's try that again. Show me the direction of the notes on your body. Ready, sing. Charlie, Charlie in the tub. Charlie, Charlie pulled the plug. Oh my goodness, oh my soul. There goes Charlie down the hole. Very good. We're gonna have to think about that extra low note. It seems much lower than all of the other notes we were singing. I wonder what it could be. We're gonna keep exploring that over the next couple of lessons, I think. And then maybe we'll be able to figure out what that extra low note is, okay? Well, very good. Thank you so much for helping me learn Charlie, Charlie. And I can't wait to do it again next lesson because you're gonna get to help write a new part to that song and you get to compose with me. So I'm very excited to share that together. Listen to my song and tell me what you think it means. Here it is. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. All right, listen again, carefully to the words to see what you think. And will you please keep a beat with me? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. So it's a slow slower song, right? We know the tempo feels slower. Does it sound sad? It does, right? It sounds a little bit sad. It's not in a major key, which usually sounds happy. It's in what we call a minor key, so it sounds sad. All right, what do you think those words mean? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Do leaves actually have heads that they can bow down? No, they don't. So maybe what some of you are thinking is that when the leaves are bowing down or just bending down, that means that the wind is coming, right? When the trees are all up like this, if their branches, their leaves are all standing up pretty strong, but then the wind comes, often the branches, the leaves have to bend down and move along. So you're gonna be a tree with me. Are you ready? You gotta put up your branches. And as I sing, can you feel the movement of the wind? Now, remember, this isn't like hurricane force winds because it's not a fast song. This is kind of like a slow, gentle breeze. And you can move your arms. Now, maybe you wanna move them as the notes go higher. Maybe they're gonna go down when they go lower. Maybe you choose to move to the rhythm. That's up to you and your branches, how you want to move. You don't have to do what I do. You be creative and make up your own movements. Here it is. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Good. Were you able to move your branches along with me? Awesome. Well, now that we've gotten to know the song, hopefully you're catching on and you're being able to sing along with me soon. We are gonna add some rhythm patterns to play along. It's not a long song, right? So each one, we only play 4 times to make up the whole song. We just repeat each one 4 times. So you might wanna grab some different instruments if you're able, like your shaker, your scraper, a drum or a cup to tap on, and we'll create some different sounds and we're gonna make like a whole band arrangement to this song. So get your instruments, meet me back here, and be ready to try each different part. Okay, if you have your cup or a drum, something to tap on, our first pattern is just going to be the steady beat, and we'll say ta, 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 4 times in a row. Will you try that with me? Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Good, you've got it. This one's super easy, right? One more time. Beautiful. Now, how this pattern goes with the song is like this. You just keep the rhythm. I'll sing. If you think you can do it with me, you can sing along, but I want you to focus on playing the correct rhythm. 1, 2, here we go. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Good job. Were you able to keep that rhythm with me? You're gonna get another chance, all right? So hold on to your cup. Now, if you have your shaker, pick that one up. You are going to be playing ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, rest. Ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, rest. Good, remember that squiggly line? That's our rest. 1 beat of silence. So let's try that. Let's just do it 2 times in a row and then we'll try it with the song. Ready? Here we go. Ta-dee, ta-dee, ta. Ta-dee, ta-dee, ta. Good job. Ready to try it with the song? 1, 2, here we go. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Very good. That was a little trickier, wasn't it? All right. If you need to practice again, you can rewind it. But again, we're going to put it all together in a little bit, and you could try each instrument as many times as you want. Okay, if you have your items that you use as drumsticks, like chopsticks or maybe wooden spoons, go ahead and grab those and we'll learn our third rhythm. Okay, let's say and play our rhythm together. It says ta, ta, ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, ta, ta-dee, ta-dee. Great. So that's what you're gonna play while I sing. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Ooh, even more challenging yet, right? Okay, good work. If you have your can, let's try that. We're gonna add a scrape on one beat. Okay, if you've got your can, we're just gonna go rest, 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 rest. Doesn't seem too tricky, does it? But when the song's happening, it can be hard to wait all that time. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, here we go. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Fabulous job. Okay, so we've practiced all 4 parts. Now, I'm gonna sing the song and I'm gonna put all 4 parts on the screen and you get to choose which part you want to play while they're all happening. It's gonna be a challenge. It might be a little tricky, but it's gonna sound really cool. And I can't wait for you to try it. Don't just do it one time. Try the can one time. Try your cup another time. Try the shaker another time. Do your rhythm sticks the last time. Do it several times so you get a chance to try all the different parts. Now, what if you're like, Miss Piles, I don't have any of those instruments. I never collected any of them. What do I do? Well, I'll tell you what you can do. Your body is an instrument. So maybe for the cup pattern, which was the 1, 2, 3, 4, you stomp your feet instead. And then for the other pattern that was just ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, rest. And then maybe for the other pattern that was ta-dee, ta-dee, ta, rest. You could pat that one. You could clap another one. You could snap the one where you only play on one beat. Use your body to choose a part to play on each part of your body percussion. You can totally do that too. All right, so figure out if you want to use instruments, your body, and let's put it all together. I can't wait. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the leaves bow down their heads, the wind is passing through.
today we have a new song. It's called 24 Robbers. We're going to see if we can get the notes together. Here we go. So we're starting on a ta. So we're going to read our rhythm first. 1, 2, ready, and go. Ta, 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 dee, ta, ta, ta. Ta, dee, ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 dee, ta, ta, ta. So you can do that on your own. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, you did so good. If you are still struggling with that, please go back and try again. Now we're going to move on to our solfege. So, right here we're told that this line is so. We have so right here. So if this is so, then this is a step higher. It is la. We have la. Then we keep on la. Then we come down to so. Then we have to go down a skip. If we're skipping down, that has to be a mi. So let's see. So, la, so, mi. You might echo. So, la, so, mi. So, la, so, mi. So, la, la. So, mi. So, la. So, la, la, so, la. So, la, la, so, la. So, la, la. Now down here, we also have this information. And that one, it has the X because we're not singing it. We're going to just say these words. So we're going to see if we can do that. Doing our first part, and then we're going to speak those words. Here we go. Ready and go. So, la, 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 so, mi. So, la, la, so, mi. So, la, la, so, la. Put all in the garbage bin. Let's see if we can add the words. If you need to go back and work on that solfege part, please go back and do that. Here we go. Ready and go. Not last night, but the night before. 24 robbers at my door. I got up to let them in. Put all in the garbage bin. Okay, so there's the song. Now we're going to put it together with the music. Ready, go.
Not last night, but the night before. 24 robbers at my door. I got up to let them in.
Put all in the garbage bin. You ready? Here we go.
Not last night, but the night before. 24 robbers at my door. I got up to let them in.
Put all in the garbage bin. time when we do it, we're going to walk, and on, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, snap on 8. Then we're going to go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap on 8. So you can do that. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready, go again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Snap. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clap. Can you do it with music? Let's see. It's dancing in long breaks. There's no words. And go.
Last night, but the night before, 24 robbers at my door. I got up to let their names, put them all in the garbage.
You ready to go?
Last night, but the night before, 24 robbers at my door. I got up to let their names, put them all in the garbage.
Excellent job. Go back and play as many times as you want.